What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we are back on Bloxburg, and we are going to be rebuilding the starter home for Bloxburg. I was originally going to do it, and then I accidentally forgot to select a starter house, and then I just got a plain plot with nothing on it. So we're going to have to redo that. We just wasted Bloxbooks on a plot. So here, we're going to do it this time and do it correctly. Click. Yeah, we do. We're just going to do that. And then, so that's what we're doing. There's actually a bunch of different, ones you could pick from, but those will take too long. We're just going to go with the first one. That's 7,500. Just like that. Happy home. We're just going to click rebuild. Oh, I can't spell. Rebuild starter home. Okay, so we're going to rebuild the starter home for you guys. And, yeah, we'll just select our plot. And, before we get this video started, please subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up button and turn on the post notifications. Now let's get straight into it. So here we are. We got this nice little starter home. Pretty cool. I'll show you the insides of what it's going to look like in the beginning and what it's going to look like after. So like a kind of before and after, and then I'll give you some updates on what I'm doing while I'm rebuilding the place. So here we are. We got this nice little eating area. This nice, not that nice kitchen. A living room. A nice little shelf of books. Is this the bathroom? Yeah, here's the bathroom. And then, we got this room. A little blue. But yeah, so this does need some updating, and especially the wall colors, the floor, all the textures, and just the house in general, and the appliances and everything. So yeah, we're just gonna get straight into fixing up the place. So we can't like delete it, the whole thing, and start from scratch and make a nice place. We gotta use the shape and format we have. Like we can change colors, maybe change the roof a little bit. So we're going to go on we're gonna paint it. So let's get the front door paint area. I'm thinking we don't want this weird brick stuff. We want it more like some sort of different texture. We're gonna start off with this nice little stuff right here. Yeah. Okay, so that's going to be right there. And then we're going to should we make the rest white? I don't know. The wood's kind of neat, but it look kind of weird. Especially for what we're about to do. Yeah, we're just going to make it like that. I know it's like the same kind of wood, but yeah. So here we are. We are going to put this all around the house. And I'm not really sure if we should do this texture around this whole front door area. I'm thinking we should, so we're just going to copy that. And we're going to do that all around. We're definitely going to change the window colors. We might just keep the windows though. You never know, or we'll change them. But we're definitely going to add some pillars. Pillars. Oh yeah, they're in the build. Okay. Let's get the pillars out, and I'll get back to you guys once we finish the exterior of this place. Okay, guys, we are back, and we have done the exterior of the starter home. Here, we're going to exit out a bit. We're definitely going to need to put some lights in. I'll do that in a sec, but here we are. I'm actually going to go in build mode so you can see it a little better. I forgot the lights, but here we are. We have the outside, we painted it, we put some pillars in, we put some wall trim, we changed the roof and the color of it. We also added a nice little shade, I don't know what they call that, but a nice little area to put your car under. No garage, so you just use this thing. And then it'll keep your car kind of like under, like in a shelter area. But yeah, we got that. We got some nice little landscapes and trees and bushes, some leaves. We got a fence that goes around the whole house. I don't know if I'm going to add chairs and like a back door to the back or not. I added some space just in case I would. I don't think I am. We got some small little fence area to give it a nice little outline. We changed the color of the carpet. And then we overall just made it look a lot nicer. And then we added some lights under here too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the exterior. Had to rain. But I'll get back to you guys once we finish either most of the interior or all of the interior, and then you'll see if we do the backyard or not. Okay guys, we are back and we have finished the entire house. Unluckily, we did not do the backyard, but we did do the whole inside. We made it nice and modern. We changed the windows, colors, and everything, furniture. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. So yeah, here we're gonna go inside. We definitely transformed it. If you go back to the beginning and look at it from now, it looks way different. I'm excited to show you guys what I've done. So yeah, I showed you guys this whole outside, so we're gonna head inside. We didn't change the door or anything at all. Sorry, I'm stinky. Let me get my mood back up. Oof, it was just up. Okay. We're just gonna click yes, and here we are, guys. Welcome to the house. She wants to see it too. Miss wants to see it. Can you donate? I don't really need anybody to donate to me, but like, it's kind of nice. Yeah, donate to me. Okay, so yeah, it's an open house. Come by it, as much as you can. I don't know. I sound like a gold digger. I'm not though. One sec. So yeah, here we are. We got the windows. We got this nice little. Oh, I'm not supposed to move. We get this nice little table area with decorations everywhere. We didn't do too much. We did the flooring, the walls. Yeah, I'll just say thanks. Okay, so yeah, we did the table, we did the nice TV area. And the kitchen might be the biggest transformation. The windows, the floor, the wall, the oven, the fan for it, the microwave, countertops, colors. We also did cabinets, refrigerators, brand new, coffee machine, blender, toaster, and then I literally just forgot what these are called, paper towels. But yeah, here we are. This is the main room, nice and open, nice and pretty. We're gonna head into the bathroom first, because the bathroom's pretty cool. Sorry guys about the back. I have a vacuum going on, and my dog's jumping on my door. We got a nice little toilet. We're gonna go ahead and use it. Stop looking at me. Okay, we got this sink, and then we got a nice sliding door into the shower. We're just gonna go use it with all doors open. And we got a bunch of windows in here so people could see me with no clothes on. Okay, we're gonna shut the door somehow. Yeah, okay. Let's go into my favorite room, which is my bedroom, where I like to game and watch YouTube. I didn't do anything in here. I just noticed this was here. And then we got all different paint and different furniture here. Lights, tables, modern design. And then that's pretty much it. We kind of made basic. We didn't put into details or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much the house. And it looks really nice. It looks brand new. And it's going to be very useful. I'm sorry again about the noise in the back. We just turned all the lights off. There we go. So here we have it. This is the rebuilding of the start of the beginner home, or the starter home. We're probably going to move this mailbox too, and then we didn't do anything in the back. And that's going to conclude it today. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and turn on the post notifications. Okay, and stay tuned for the next video, guys. Peace out.